We know practitioners rely on the VB-MAPP Assessment because it's complete and streamlined. Manned, tact, echoic, intraverbal, listener, motor imitation, independent play, social play, and many other skills are targeted. Completing an assessment can be a challenge when you're on the go working in clients' homes or moving between classrooms where available materials change and vary. You asked different roads to learning for our recommendations, and we created our VB-MAPP Assessment Kit. Endorsed by Dr. Mark Sundberg, our kit contains every item needed to address all 170 milestones. School districts and ABA clinics nationwide use our materials, and we are certain our kits will save you time and money. Each kit includes VB-MAPP suggestion sheets that direct the appropriate items to use for appropriate targets. In addition, you can trust the durability of the materials we offer. Our items are hand-picked to withstand tearing, throwing, and chewing. These tools will continue to be of use as you grow your client's strengths and weaknesses in the context of your ABA curriculum, and we accept organizational purchase orders. Visit www.difflearn.com or email info@difflearn.com now to learn more. We are here and happy to help.